Welcome to the Peak English Listening Channel. Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to look at a conversation at a restaurant. In this video, you will follow a simple and slow story. This story is about Alex and Amelia at a restaurant. You will learn useful restaurant vocabulary today. Don't worry. I will speak slowly and clearly. So, please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. This is your listening challenge. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. Which wine is good with fish? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills. It will help you learn even more effectively. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
Alex, I am so hungry. I am really, really hungry.
Me too. I am hungry too. Let's eat something.
That sounds good. Where do you want to go?
How about that restaurant? It looks nice.
Oh, I like that restaurant. The food is good there.
Great. Let's go to that restaurant.
Wait, do we need a reservation?
A reservation? What do you mean?
A reservation is when you call the restaurant before you go. You tell them the time and you tell them the number of people. Then they save a table for you.
Oh, I see. A reservation. That is useful. Do we need a reservation for this restaurant?
I don't know. It looks busy today. I can see many people inside.
You are right. It is busy. There are many people. Maybe we need to wait.
That's okay. I don't mind waiting a little. If it's busy, the food is probably good.
That's true. A busy restaurant usually means good food. Okay. Oh, look! They have a menu outside. Let's check the menu before we go in.
Good idea. Let's check the menu.
The menu looks good. They have many things. I can see steak, fish, pasta, and more. I am hungry, so let's go inside.
Yes, let's go. I hope we don't have to wait too long.
Alex and Amelia walk inside the restaurant.
Hello.
Welcome to our restaurant. How many people?
Hi, table for two, please? Just the two of us.
Table for two. Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't have a reservation. Is that okay?
That's no problem. We have a table for you. We have a nice table. Please follow me.
Oh, that is great. Thank you very much.
Right this way, please.
Oh, that table near the window looks nice. Can we sit there?
Of course, you can have the window seat. Here you are.
Great. A window seat. I like window seats. You can see outside. The view is nice. Thank you.
I'm glad you like it. Your server will come soon. The server will take your order. Please enjoy.
Thank you very much. Okay, let's look at the menu.
Wow, this menu has a lot of things.
Yes, look. They have appetizers, main dishes, and desserts.
Appetizers? What are appetizers?
Appetizers are small dishes. You eat them first, before the main dish. They are like a small start to your meal.
Oh, I understand. Appetizers come first. What kind of appetizers do they have?
They have soup and salad as appetizers.
Nice. And what about the main dish?
The main dish is the big part of your meal. Look, they have steak, chicken, fish, and pasta.
So many choices. What do you recommend? Is there something you recommend?
I recommend the chicken. It is very popular here. Many people order it. The chicken is their most popular dish.
The chicken is popular. Okay, that sounds good. What about you?
I want something light. I don't want something heavy. Maybe the fish.
Good choice. Oh, look. It says today's special. What is today's special?
Today's special is a special dish. The restaurant makes it only for today. It says pasta with vegetables.
Oh, that's nice. Is that vegetarian?
Vegetarian? Yes, it is. Vegetarian means no meat. This pasta has only vegetables, so it is vegetarian.
I see. Vegetarian is no meat. Good to know.
And don't forget the desserts. They have cake and ice cream for dessert.
Dessert sounds great. I love desserts. I always want dessert after a meal.
Let's order some drinks, too. What do you want to drink?
I think I'll get orange juice. What about you?
I want iced tea. Okay. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am ready. Let's call the server.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are ready. I'd like the fish, please.
The fish. Good choice. And for the other person?
I'd like the steak, please.
The steak. How would you like it? Rare, medium, or well done?
What is rare?
Rare means the inside is still red. Medium is pink inside. And well done is cooked all the way. There is no pink.
Oh, I see. Medium, please.
Medium. Great. The steak comes with a side dish. A side dish is a small dish that comes with the main dish. Would you like salad, rice, or potatoes as the side dish?
Potatoes, please.
And for your fish, would you like any sauce?
What kind of sauce do you have?
We have lemon sauce and butter sauce.
Lemon sauce, please. And can I have a salad without onions? I don't like onions. Can you make it without onions?
Of course. Salad without onions? No problem. What kind of dressing would you like on your salad? We have Italian and sesame dressing.
Italian dressing, please.
And any drinks?
I'd like orange juice.
And I'd like iced tea, please.
Orange juice and iced tea. I will bring your drinks soon. Thank you very much.
Alex, I have a question about wine. When do people drink red wine? And when do they drink white wine?
Oh, good question. It is simple. Red wine goes well with meat.
Red wine goes well with meat.
Yes, red wine has a strong flavor, and meat also has a strong flavor, so they go well together.
That makes sense. What about white wine?
White wine goes well with fish. White wine has a light flavor. Fish also has a light flavor, so white wine and fish go well together.
Oh, I understand now. Strong flavor with strong flavor. Light flavor with light flavor.
Exactly. Red wine with meat, white wine with fish. That is the easy way to remember.
That is easy to remember. So if I eat steak, I should drink red wine. And if I eat fish, I should drink white wine.
Yes, that's right. Of course, you can drink any wine you like, but that is the basic rule.
Thank you, Alex. I will remember that. Oh, Alex, look at the table. Why are there so many forks? There are 3 forks here.
That's a good question. In a formal restaurant, you use a different fork for each course.
A different fork for each course? What do you mean?
A course is one part of the meal. The appetizer is the first course. The main dish is the second course. The dessert is the last course.
Okay, I understand courses. But which fork do I use first?
Easy. You use the fork from the outside first.
The outside first?
Yes? Look, this fork on the outside is for the appetizer. Then this fork in the middle is for the main dish. And the small fork on the inside is for dessert. Outside to inside. Outside to inside.
That is easy to remember. And the knife and spoon?
Same thing. The knife is for cutting. You hold the knife in your right hand, and you hold the fork in your left hand. The spoon is usually for soup or dessert.
Got it. Fork from the outside, knife in my right hand. Thank you, Alex. That is very helpful.
Wow, the food is here. Your steak looks amazing.
My fish looks great too. Let's eat.
This is delicious. This fish is really delicious.
Is it good? How does it taste?
Yes, it's so tasty. The lemon sauce is a little salty, but I like salty things. How is your steak?
My steak is delicious too. The meat is soft, very soft and tender, and it has a great flavor. How about the salad?
The salad is very fresh. The vegetables are fresh and crispy. I like crispy vegetables.
Crispy is good. Oh, I want to try the sauce on your fish.
Sure, here.
Oh, this is a little sour. The lemon sauce is sour.
Yes, it's a lemon sauce, so it's sour. Sour and salty together. That is why I like it.
You are right. Sour and salty together taste nice. I like it too. Oh, try this potato. It is crispy on the outside and soft on the inside.
You are right. Crispy outside and soft inside. That is perfect. I really like crispy food. The dessert menu is on the table. I think I want something sweet after this. Something sweet would be nice.
Me too. I want something sweet too. Everything is so delicious here. This is a really good restaurant.
Alex and Amelia raise their hand to call the server.
Excuse me?
Yes, how can I help you?
Could we get some water, please? We'd like some more water.
Of course. I'll bring water right away.
Thank you. And could we also get some extra napkins, please? We need more napkins.
Sure. Extra napkins. No problem.
Oh, and excuse me, one more thing. I think there is a mistake with our salad. We asked for the salad without onions, but there are onions in the salad.
Oh, I am so sorry about that mistake. That was our mistake. Let me fix that for you right away. I'll bring a new salad without onions this time. I am sorry again about the mistake.
That's okay. Thank you for fixing the mistake.
Here's your water and your extra napkins. And here is the new salad without onions this time. I'm sorry again about the mistake.
Great. Thank you very much. You are very helpful.
Thank you. Please enjoy the rest of your meal.
Excuse me. Can we get the check, please? We'd like the bill.
Of course. I'll bring your check right now. Here is your check.
Thank you.
Alex. In this country, do I need to leave a tip? What about a tip?
Yes, a tip is common here. Most people leave 15 to 20%.
15 to 20%. Okay.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we take cards and cash.
I'll pay by card, please.
Of course. Here you go. Please enter the tip amount here. You can choose the amount.
Okay, I'll leave 20%. The food was really good, and the service was great.
Thank you so much. That's very kind.
Can I also get a receipt, please?
Of course. Here is your receipt. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. The food was wonderful.
Alex and Amelia walk out of the restaurant.
That was a great restaurant. I am so full now.
Me too. The food was delicious. Everything was really delicious. I learned a lot today, Alex.
Really? What did you learn?
Well, first I learned about reservations. Next time, we should make a reservation. The restaurant was very busy today.
That's true. A reservation is a good idea when it is busy. What else?
I learned the menu words. Appetizer is the small dish at the start. Main dish is the big part. And dessert is the sweet food at the end.
You remembered all of that. That's great.
And when I ordered, I used I'd like the steak, please. It was easy to say.
Yes, I'd like is very useful at a restaurant. You can use it for many things.
And you taught me about wine. Red wine goes well with meat because they both have a strong flavor. And white wine goes well with fish because they both have a light flavor.
You are a fast learner.
Oh, and the forks. In a formal restaurant, you use the fork from the outside first. Outside to inside.
That's right. Fork from the outside. You remembered everything.
The food words were fun too. Delicious, tasty, sweet, salty, sour, crispy, fresh, and soft. I used so many words to talk about the food today.
You did. And you even learned about tips. How much is a good tip?
15 to 20%. You left 20% today because the food was delicious.
That's right. Today was really fun. I had a great time.
We should go to a restaurant again soon.
Yes. Next time I'll make a reservation so we don't have to wait.
Good idea. That is a very good idea. Thank you for teaching me so much today, Alex.
Of course. You learned a lot of restaurant words today. Great job, Amelia.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Which wine is good with fish? Did you get it right? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. Writing complete sentences helps you practice real English output. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English. I also give you small but practical tips for everyday situations. I will keep uploading videos like this. So, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.